Ekunin social media updates lately. Hello mga ka-chika and hello po sa lahat ng masusugid na manonood. Welcome pong muli sa aking channel. Narito nga po ang ilang mga kaganapan kila Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales sa kanilang social media lately. Nagpe-prepare na nga kaya sila Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales para sa kanilang bagong proyekto? Well, aabangan po natin iyan. Anyways, narito naman nga po ang ilang behind the scenes ng latest YouTube vlog ni Janine Gutierrez sa nagdaang award nga po sa kanila ni Jericho Rosales.
How do you feel? Congratulations.
Thank you. Happy to be here with you. Congrats on your award.
Congratulations, Baba.
We're honoring also Mamita and Mama Guy and Tito Ricky. I dedicate this also to them, and I'm so happy that you're here tonight. My mom and Tita Jackie and my cousins.
We're wearing Raho and GMA jewelry and makeup by Justin and hair by Patty. Style by Izzy and yun lang. See you there!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Hello po!
We're here at the Guillermo. We made it! Kahit nagbaha at lahat, medyo late tayo. And we got this! Yay!
Nakita nilang mahulog si Janine.